How to set a fixture. A fixture is an inspection that can be used by other inspections to help the camera know where it should search for your designated feature of interest. You'll typically want to use fixtures if items will be moving down the production line in unpredictable positions or rotations. Let's use the pattern tool as an example to show how fixtures can help us create better inspections. On this pack of gum, we'll want to inspect a few different things: the first ingredient, the third ingredient, the brand name, and the non-GMO verification badge. I'll begin by making sure my product is in focus, properly lit, and set as the master image. The first inspection I'll create is a pattern inspection on the picture of the first ingredient. This inspection will act as a fixture for the rest of our inspections. Next, I'll use the text inspection tool to read the brand name. When building this inspection, one of the first options will be to assign the inspection to a fixture, and we'll tether it to ingredient number 1. I'll repeat this for 2 other pattern inspections, each time making sure to tether the inspection to the ingredient number 1 fixture. Once I've set all of my inspections, I can test how the fixture works by rotating my gum pack slightly. Now, when I run my inspection, the system will identify the orientation of the fixture and automatically rotate any tethered inspections to match the fixture orientation. As you can see, the other inspections have adjusted to match the orientation of ingredient number 1. And now we got passing results for all of our inspections. A few other tips that might be helpful. There are 6 inspection tools that can work as fixtures: pattern, shape, copies, contour, edge, and barcode. To easily see which steps are using a fixture, in the master inspection list you will see a box on the right side of the card. In this example here, brand name, ingredient 3, and GMO are all using ingredient 1 as her fixture. Finally, remember that not all inspection tools can work as fixtures. If you inspect a date code, for example, you won't be able to tether other inspections to it. If you have more questions about fixtures, don't hesitate to reach out to your Samsara representative.